Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ken Kent. I'm the president and the founder of SignWorld, and I'm here today to talk to you about our ongoing support as part of our $145,000 SignWorld package. Included in the ongoing support is everything that you would expect to have in any Sign franchise. We give you ongoing support in the form of webinar training, telephone numbers to call in for the technical support and the marketing support and the operations support. We also will give you a protected territory, which is a contiguous cluster of zip codes that would contain as close as we can get to 3,000 businesses. And our agreement in the contract that we, SignWorld, will never put another business in your protected territory. However, you are free to go and sell anywhere you want. As long as you locate your building and your production equipment inside your territory, you can go and sell anywhere you want in the whole wide world. And you will. Through your website especially, you'll manage to gain customers all over the place. In addition to that, we also have our SignWorld convention every year, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that in our next videotape. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.